Okay, hey guys, welcome back. This is a 2017 Honda Civic, and I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the audio system or infotainment, as they say. So first off, we're going to remove this side center console. So you just basically have to wedge your finger in there and try to show you guys on this side. Just like that. So there's a tab there, and you can just pull it up just like that. So that comes off, and the next step is to remove this trim on the center console, and by doing that you can probably start prying on this side, or if you could do it on the top without damaging the infotainment here. So I'm going to show you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so side trim panel is out, so here is, these are the clips. Sits like that. So I basically from here on lifted it up. This part right here is a bit difficult to remove, so I can show you guys how it's done. See? Now you're going to have to deal with the top part, which is a little bit of a battle of doing it, but what you want to do is straight out this way. Alright? I don't know how. It's like that, so just try to pull it out carefully, just by pulling out outward like that. Okay, so that's out, that's out. Alright, so the next step guys is to remove this climate control, and to do that is basically just popping this whole assembly up. You got two clips on each side, so you just basically have to that. Alright, so that comes off. Just pop that out. And see, you have the infotainment here. There's the bolts that you're going to remove. That's one, that's two 8mm bolts, and then you'll be able to slide that infotainment out. Alright guys. Okay guys, so to remove this infotainment, you basically have to have both hands underneath here. You don't want your hands over on top and trying to pull this thing out, because that will damage the screen somehow. So you just want to pull this up just like that. Alright. That's out. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this content, leave me a comment, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell too at the same time. Thanks guys.